Hi guys, so just a little bit about hard engineering here. Hopefully you should be able to use the information on this PowerPoint, plus this little video that I'm doing, plus any reading, plus any extra links and GCC pod to learn all about the different types of coastal management. So hard engineering, and there are 4 types you need to know: seawall, gabions, rock armor, and groins. Now hard engineering, like it says on the previous slide, is basically building something. It's when humans build something, when humans do something to stop erosion happening. So, for example, seawall, very simple. You build a wall in front of the cliff. Okay, simple as that. So obviously, this wall means that the cliffs and the beach are not being hit by the waves, therefore erosion doesn't happen. Can be quite expensive though, and you need to replace it every so often. These are gabions. These are essentially metal cages filled with rocks. These basically do the same job as a seawall. You put them in front of the cliff, and then the waves hit this instead of hitting the cliff and doesn't cause erosion. Rock armor, again, you may have seen these. This happens quite a lot. You just pile loads and loads of big rocks in front of the cliff, okay, and on the beach. This stops the cliff getting eroded. And then the hardest one is probably groins. Okay, these are the groins here. You can see these groins up this beach at Hapesborough. Okay, so this is wooden arms that get stuck out into the sea, and the point here is essentially to stop longshore drift and to prevent longshore drift from taking sediment away. If these groins weren't here, longshore drift would be transporting this sediment all the way down the beach over here. Okay, but as it is, the groins stop longshore drift and cause a build-up of sediment on the beach. You can see the build-up of sediment here and here and here and so on. Okay, and that is important because of this next simple fact. The bigger the beach, the less erosion there is. Okay, so the bigger the beach, the less erosion there is. That is because the waves, when they crash, they hit the beach, the energy gets dissipated, and they do not hit the cliff. Okay, the cliffs are back here. You can't see the cliffs in this picture. So the waves hit the cliff. Sorry, the waves don't hit the cliff, they hit the beach instead. Therefore, there's less erosion because the groins make the beach bigger. Okay, we looked at Holderness, reasons why Holderness erodes so fast and there's so much erosion at Holderness is because there's a very small beach. Okay, so groins make the beach bigger, and just a reminder, the key point there is big beaches cause less erosion. Okay, right, so add all that stuff to your list and then make sure you read all the other bits and watch all the other videos as well. Okay, thank you.